Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on German American Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in germanamerican.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official German American Bank website. Now from the homepage, you will directly see the login portal at the top right section. You can choose from your online banking account, your business banking page, and the desktop express. Simply enter your user ID within the user ID box, and within the password section, type in your account password. You can also use your email address instead of username if you wish to do so. Finally, click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your account on German American Bank right away. In case you have forgotten your ID or password, you can find the appropriate option underneath the login box. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on German American Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.